Assalamualaikum. My name is Sherikal bin Musakar. We from Group 1. Now, we will present our poster about phylogeny of the Fabaceae family. Habit and characteristics about this family. The tree-like enormous Compacia excelsa leaves are generally alternate and typical compounds such as pinnately compound and trivulate compound. Flowers are typically bisexual, containing both stamen and pistil. The legume fruit develops from a single carpel. On the mature, they typically split open along to release the seed.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Muhammad Ali Faiman, matrix number BF241600302, and I'm gonna talk about diversity and biogeography. Firstly, according to Stephen, the Fabaceae family has 770 to 800 genera and have 20,000 species. Furthermore, the highest diversity of Fabaceae is found in tropical climate, such as the Neotropic, which is located in South America. In Southeast Asia, or tropical rainforest climate, Fabaceae is used for development and research, as Fabaceae exists in the food sector, the logging, and medicine.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Muhammad Zafar Hafizin bin Rusli, number matrix BF241600296. Next, I will present about the example description. The species that we pick is Acacia mangium, also known as mangium. It's one of the most widely used fast-growing tree species in plantation forestry programs throughout Asia and the Pacific. These trees are generally large and can grow to a height of 30 meters. Acacia mangium starts to flower and produce seeds around 18 to 20 months after planting. The flowering seasons differ according to geographical location. Young trees have smooth, greenish bark, while the older trees is rough, hard, fissured near the base, grayish-brown to dark brown, inner bark pale brown. Phyllodes are large, up to 25 centimeters long and 3.5 to 10 centimeters broad, 2 to 5 times as long as wide, straight or straight along one side and curved along the other, with 4 to 5 main longitudinal veins, secondary veins finely anastomosing, glabrous, pulvinous 6 to 10 centimeters long.
Hello, my name is Ronan. My number matrix is 24110087. I will continue about the example description. Inflorescence is composed of many tiny white or cream flower in spike. Flower are quinquefloral. The call is 0.6 to 0.8 mm long, wide, obtuse lobes. Corolla 1.2 to 1.5 mm long. Pods are broad, linear and irregular coiled. When ripe, they are membranous or slightly woody, icon-pigosely veined. 3 to 5 mm wide and 7 to 10 cm long. Seeds are black and shiny white shape ranging from longitudinally, elliptically, ovate to oblong. 3 to 5 mm by 2 and 3 mm. Arranged longitudinally and attached to the pods by an orange-red folded funicle. That's all for me.
Hello, my name is Muhammad Nizar bin Abdul Wahid. My metric number is BF241600317. So now I will explain about phylogenetic relationship of Fabaceae family. So Fabaceae is considering a large and economically vital family of flowering plants, which is usually known as the legume family. The Fabaceae family, which has over 460 medicinal plant species, 230 genera flowering plants, and more than 19,400 species. Documentation of the Mediterranean legume crops depending on morphological characteristics has shown tricky and much impossible. So using a DNA-based technique would offer accurate knowledge and facility the discrimination of the species. DNA barcoding is new, efficient, quick, low cost, and standard technique for the fast identification and evaluation of plant and animal species based on DNA sequence from a small fragment of the whole genome in a rapid accurate. So that's all for me. Thank you.
My name is Muhammad Izam bin Abdul Rahman. Matrix number is BF24110-200. So in addition for polygenetic relationships, Acacia mengium belongs to subfamily Mimosidae under Fabaceae within the Edicots clade. Mimosidae is characterized by numerous long stamens, spherical inflorescences, and phyllodes, which are drive traits that distinguish it from other subfamilies, such as Papilionidae. So this adaptation show further specialization within the Fabaceae lineage.
Hello, my name is Daniel Iskandar bin Rosdin, metric number BF24110-192. So based on figure 5, it shows the phylogenetic tree of the Fabaceae family, a hypothesis of relationships based on cladistic and molecular data. Each node represents the most recent common ancestor and a speciation event, highlighting the family hierarchical structure and the importance of monophyletic groups. Figure 6 shows evolutionary divergence. Papilionoidea and Mimosoidea are stable monophyletic clades, while Caesalpinioidea is basal and ancestral to both. Displays Acacia mangium in Mimosoidea, which shows evolutionary specialization like the development of phyllodes, reflecting the family's evolutionary history.